Welcome to one of the first lessons of Series 8 with some physical practicality. We're going to be doing a little bit of somatic movement and dance, maybe a little bit of shaking, we'll see. And this is going to get you guys to open up the body more, maybe even release some trauma that you've had, and to get you, again, feeling comfortable with your body, moving your limbs, moving in ways that you didn't know that you could move, okay? And just going to the music, not shuffling. We're not shuffling yet, but we will combine the structured lessons and practical content, and training, tutorials, and all that after this. But I want you guys to see and feel this first, because sometimes it's good to have a little bit of no structure and just kind of be yourself and just dance. Kind of like when you go to a concert. You're not practicing when you're at a concert, but when you're at a concert, you're at a rave, or you're at a festival, you're just letting loose, okay? And that's what this lesson is going to be all about, okay? So, without further ado, feel free to copy me if you want. I will be going slow enough that you can copy me, absorb what I'm doing. And we're just going to start with some slow music, but again, there's not going to be any shuffling. This is just going to be moving our body in like a somatic type of release. Okay, so hope you guys are ready. Let's do it. Whatever you feel, okay? Whatever you feel, the music is telling you to do. Just like when you're shuffling, do that right now, okay? In this moment. Just watch me. Watch how I feel the music and implement that, okay?
Feeling like I'm fresh out booth. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise. Doing shit you don't even see him move. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head, but her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash on her plane on it. You are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Now you want to. Just pop bubbly in the pool. It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. I'm gonna sit on the track when I'm fucked up. I should know how to pick it. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tips it. I had enough combo for 24. I picked you from across the road. Pretty little body dancing like go-go, hey. You are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Why not? Fucking good time, never married nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not a party. If you love the you know. So pick up that dress for me, leave the rest on. Too much combo, 24 hours. When you stand next to 24 hours, she left her man at home. She don't love him no more. I want your mind and your body. Don't mind nobody, so you don't never hurt nobody. Baby, gon' work your body. Work your body. And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Now you want to just pop bubbly in the cruise. Oh, let me in. No, tell nobody. On your level too. Tryna do what lovers do.
Okay. Oh boy. Pause. Now, my first question to you is, did you see me do a shuffle? Did you see me do a T-step? Did you see me do a running band or anything? No, I did not. Maybe little embodiments of some shuffling, but no physical Melbourne shuffling was done in that somatic kind of freestyle, shaking it off dance. I did moves that maybe you were like, oh, that's kind of like, I couldn't do that, or that's kind of awkward, but like, hey, he's having a good time, he's feeling himself, you know? That's what this is all about, okay? Well, this is also what I'm offering in my Patreon with the shuffle lessons. We can do these like one-on-one kind of somatic, shake it off, we'll call it, you know, style sessions where me and you, the student, will go at it together and we'll play a song or however many songs it takes until your body starts to wake up, until you start to feel, you know, loose and, you know, can do practically anything, any move the music tells you to do. And I think what I've learned over these last 3 to 4 years and with this somatic practice that I'm teaching and telling you guys now is that practice of being silly and goofy and making mistakes first, and then start to add some structure to your shuffling, to your dance, whatever it is you're doing, and then you can then you can really look like a pro, okay? Not sure how I looked there, I gotta watch it back, but it felt good, and I had a mirror here in front of me, but I wasn't really looking at the mirror, I was kind of looking at you guys, the camera, the audience, the student, you know? So, that being said, we're gonna do a couple more, and we're gonna do some different genre. This is kind of like, there's gonna be a whole trance, house, techno, indie, disco, funk. There's gonna be kind of a somatic. There's gonna be a hip hop, like series, and these are all coming up like within the next few weeks to a month. So don't think that when you see this, I'm not gonna, like, I can't wait to watch the trance or whatever. The trance is already done and filmed. That was one of the first ones that I did. I just got to go through, edit them, and post them to the channel. So take this, you know, as you may, as you will. But yeah, guys, like, there might have been a little bit of structure, of course, because I've been doing this for so long. When I just did that expressive like display to that song, I think it was by like 10 Snake or somebody. But, you know, I tried my very best to just move in a very organic manner of like, if it was like a moment where like my shoulder was like supposed to, like, if I felt it, I would go for it, you know? But I wasn't afraid to be silly and like throw the shoulder and like hop with it, you know, like boom, boom, or you know, like, or the drums and the snare would be like right now. I would be like, okay? So, talking about. That's kind of like that. I know I got a little, I went a little overboard because I'm just feeling the music, but if you're not to that level yet, hit me up and we can work on that. But for this next one, I'll try my best to kind of like, we'll stay in a little circle area, a little area, and we'll work on just small movements, not very like large or powerful ones. Okay, I'll try my best, but no guarantees, because when you feel the music, you feel the music. But basically this drill is all about moving every extremity, every body part, no matter what the music tells you to do. If you feel it, go for it. Go in that direction of the song or of the beat, or if the melody or the hum, the rhythm, the tempo is telling you to speed up, and it's like, right now, use your hands. Use your hands as that's your instrument, you know, your feet, yes, and shuffling, but there's more to shuffling with just your feet. It's also upper body, and it's arms, and you can get very, very expressive. You can go down the rabbit hole and using your upper body as well. It's like you have two arms, you might as well use them as well, you know. That's the most that's the question that I get asked the most, is what do I do with my arms and my upper body? Well, here you go. We're doing it right now, okay? So, we're gonna hit the next demo, and we're gonna do, I don't know, quite a few of these until you guys start to get it and you start to see how free I am when I move, okay? You can be as free moving as well, okay? Let's get to it.